Good morning, guys. It's dawn again, and today it has rained a lot from last night, so everything is all wet this morning. It's cooler. That's a nice thing. It feels really nice, actually. Everybody's out there doing the chores, and I'm in here gonna get all the stuff done for the morning. It was kind of like a Murphy's Law kind of day. I forgot to set the alarm last night, so Colby made the bus, but Bruce drove him down there. So that happened. I forgot to make the hummingbird food. You know those mornings, especially on a Monday. This is where we have all the soap drying and all the soap that I gotta pack up. So now we're gonna get the folders for the salves I made last night. Here's the salve folder. So I have all the labels in folders. So we're gonna go on now and look how good everything turned out. And I ended up having to make those last night too. I just ran out of time for the video. I didn't want to make it any longer than it was. And the dehydrator is still going for those thicker peppers. Alright, this is the cocoa butter lotion bar. It's just, I put it in this little container right there. Something cool I wanted to show you. I know that a lot of you might not know it, but these are a lot of the stencils that the art community uses. And I used to work at the scrapbook store back in 2010. And when I worked at the scrapbook store, and they did close up around 2011. It was just getting tough with the internet and things like that. So this was hanging above where all the Crafters Workshop stencils were. So they gave it to me, and how cool is that? And it's a stencil, and I haven't ever taken it off this, but I think what happened was they painted it, and that's why, because they come kind of like a clearer color, like where the tape is right there. So I think that's a pretty cool thing. Alright guys, I wanted to show you something really cool. My neighbor bought this bag for me. She had went to the Virginia Air and Space Museum. It's over in Hampton, Virginia. But I collect postcards and I send them out. But this is like one of them hologram ones. But I was on postcrossing.com, SwapBot, a lot of those different ones. But I'm going to show you the collection that I've received over the years. Jack. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. You enjoying yourself? You are? Okay. I won't bother you. Alright, so let's take a peek. So these right here are what I have traded with over the years. And I have some really cool ones that have come from pretty much every corner of the world. Earth, should I say, I guess. But I'm telling you, I've gotten them from South Africa. And then these are ones I participated in a lot where you make your own. And this one might have been out of a beer card. And I just love it. So, if you want to send me a postcard, I'll put my address down below. And you can send me a postcard and I'll send you one right back. Because I have boxes downstairs of ones I've collected over the years. And I did this even as a kid. I was a pen pal. And this was back in the 70s. This wasn't, recent. But I just love it. And I've gotten some really, really, mostly art ones because I love art. Any kind of art postcard. Look at this one. This is even like a photograph. Hologram cut. Film. The little film. Can't even think of it. It used to come on a little teeny square. I know y'all know. Very nice. Let's see what, oh, this one came from Belgium. We have to make deliveries today and do orders, so it's not going to be a very exciting day, but some cool stuff I got to share with y'all. This is another really thick one, and this one came from Dutch City, The Hague. Let's see, some Amsterdam. Ooh, how cool is that? Oh, look at this. This is a beautiful one. Beautiful, beautiful. Greetings from the Netherlands. Gotta love it. I've gotten them from Australia. I've even gotten them from Syria. Turkey. There's another one of those kind. This one was from Wisconsin. Hey, Wisconsin. And I like photography ones too. Fontenay, little town with 23,000 inhabitants. Paris, not far from Paris. I have to go back and read some of these again. I love them. It's just Ukraine. And then I got one time it said it was from Chernobyl, and it said this card is radioactive. Adorable. And this one is Oksana. So I think this one is Russian. RV. Sometimes this is like the codes right here. So when you're using post crossing, they have codes for each place that they come from. Oh, and then this one is actually from North Carolina. And that one was probably in the swap bot. You had to send a state for one. Finland. Oh, greetings from Finland. Sometimes I recognize the codes, kind of like a zip code. Birds, I love birds. Germany. Let's see, this one keeps wanting me to pull it out. Look up for answers. Let's see what this one says. This is a big one. Malaysia. All right, guys, you got it. So you see what I like. Things that you would know. Oh, this one's old. I love this one right here too. Anything with mermaids. Let's see where this one came from. This one I think is the United States. Right here. The mermaid. Alright, guys. Okay. I think that was all. Okay, gotta see where I was gonna go next. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna throw one of those tarts down. This was the empty butter container. Always want to use up everything you got. I'm gonna go ahead and do another one of those tarts that we're trying to use up all those dough sheets, especially the ones, the pizza ones, like Colby's been making all that pizza. Yeah, this one is a little tore too. It's okay, no biggie. We got this. Gonna make it work. Gonna make it work. Do. Oh my goodness, them boys down there with those games, I tell ya. Apple cinnamon. I think that's all I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna add a little bit more of the cinnamon sugar to it. And you could even throw in a little bit of cream cheese. I'm gonna just make this one like a little bunch up. Not too thick though, because you want it to bake. And let's go for that, all right? Yee! Cooking some bacon on that Blackstone this morning. Yeah. I'm scrambling today, trying to get so much done in such a little short time. Hummingbirds, they don't like coming up here when I'm cooking. They do though, but they don't like it. So I got bacon and eggs done, half cheese and half egg. There's that yummy tart that I made with those present sheets. Just wanted to show you now that it's done. I said, it's really good. My Schwan order is here. So I've been ordering from Schwan since 1995 because out here you're not getting ice cream home. Now we do have a couple of grocery stores that are closed, but they have more like the big tubs of really artificial ice cream. But anyways, the boys like this ice cream and it's mighty good.
So we just finished these deliveries. Now we are gonna head into Petco and get some stuff for the you-know-what, the puppies. And you see that little place over there? I tried to see if I can go over there. And Bruce says, you don't need anything. So I guess I won't be going in there. Please, Bruce.
We'll go, but we never can buy anything there.
Yeah, they don't have hardly anything in there.
That's fine with me too. Let's make another zero.
Another zero tour?
Yeah, I can't find anything in there to buy myself.
Oh, you never can.
The rainbow.
It's like partly double.
Y'all got groceries?
Yeah, you can barely see the other one.
Groceries?
Be right there.
Tonight we're going to be cooking liver and onions. This is Bruce's job. So Bruce, he does the best job cooking the liver and
I am
onions.
cooking gourmet liver and onions.
Yes.
Not meal fit for a princess.
Yes, this is one of my favorite meals.
Yes. And I only cooked enough for her because the boys like I can't cook enough to feed everybody.
So they wanted
Chicken
wings.
And they are our chicken wings. And I believe.
So anyways, he's got the chicken wings in there and Colby is almost done. I'm going to wrap up today's vlog because I've had a tough day and I am just really tired and not feeling it. So I'm hoping you guys have a wonderful night.
But you're going to put your collars on your puppies and your kitty cat.
Yes, and I'm going to go down and get my postcards. So I can talk to y'all about the postcards tomorrow. Okay? Good night, guys. Thank you so much. This. Remember how I talked about postcards and how I told you I had a lot? And if you want to, wow, how come we have so many Indianas? Must have been when we went to Wisconsin. Oh, Ohio, yep. Anyway, I got a leaf on me from the tent. I just wanted to show you that I have got some postcards and it would be a great way. You just have to tell me things you want or things you like, or just there's so many different things. If you like a fish, or you like a mermaid, or you like state maps, horses, pirates, butterflies. I've even got postcard books. I've had, and look at this. Even the seashell ones, Keep Calm and Love. Both these boxes, plus I got one more box. And this one here, look how cool this one is. Look, that is a wooden one. These are all books, postcard books. Or those are just, yeah, those. Yeah, they're postcard books. So, I've been collecting postcards for a lot of years. And people bring me postcards, and I have done these. This is one of mine. This is one I painted years ago and made it into a postcard. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you that.